Metadata Utility, Edit Case, Event Category. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Edit Case Event Category. This will open up the main case category window. To edit a particular record, double-click on the applicable record that wish to be edited. Which will set up the applicable record in edit mode. Users will see once that a record is set in edit mode that a yellow background will be shown on those fields that indeed are in edit mode. We strongly recommend users not to delete any of the pre-existing pre-built-in default case event categories, as those are necessary for metadata utility to work properly. Deletion of the default pre-installed categories will cause in metadata utility do not function properly. However, for those users that wish to add their custom categories to a particular group, then this feature can be used to add those custom categories as needed. Once those changes have been completed, simply click on the Close button to return to Metadata Utility. For any questions with regard of the functionality for case event category editing, as well as to any other questions with regard to any other topics on the usage and capabilities built in Metadata Utility, we welcome our users to click on any of the other videos that we have available, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions as well as detailed FAQ, how-to, as well as troubleshooting sections, all available on our website at metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.